What up, this is Alex from Prestige Window Tinting, and I'm bringing you a quick look of this 2019 Chrysler 300S. We just finished the window tinting with the Suntek Carbon 35% on all the side windows and back glass. As you can see, there is no gaps around the edges. Everything is nice and sealed. We had to remove the door panels so we can push the window tinting all the way to the bottom of the weather stripping here, because you get some bubbling sometimes. You see the clarity of the film from the inside out. It's really good because it's a premium film. It's not the standard or regular quality films. So we did a 35% Suntek Carbon on the two front windows and 35% Suntek Carbon on the back doors and the back glass. Same thing here. You can see there is no gaps anywhere around the edges. Film is tucked in all the way to the side and the bottom, so you don't have any issues later on with peeling. Same with the back glass. Everything's sealed to the edges. You can see some humidity and water pockets. That's because we just finished the window tinting, so it takes a week for the film to cure. So here is on this other side also. We try to do the best quality work possible on every vehicle, so that way our customers, they're happy with the quality of our work. Alright, so this is a 2019 Chrysler 300S done with Suntek Carbon 35%, all side windows and back glass. See you next time, and thank you for watching.